Welcome to channel Motivus Storia. Lesson through story. Believe in yourself. Your belief is powerful. Your belief only lead you. Your belief only give you success. Believe you are a powerful human being. You can achieve anything if you believe. Let's connect the belief with a story. A man walking on a road. While walking, he noticed an elephant camp. All elephants were secured with a small rope. That rope was tied around their front leg. He surprised that why elephants are not getting free by breaking up the rope, since they are strong enough to break the rope. He asked the trainer why the elephant didn't break free. The trainer told they use the same size of rope for baby elephants all the way up to adulthood. That time they are too small to break free of rope. Since then they grown up being conditioned that the rope was stronger than they are. As adults, they think the rope can still hold them. So they don't try to fight it. And for lifelong, they are being held with a small, teeny rope. The moral of the story. The elephants are experiencing habitual conditioning. The rope is nothing major. It is a very simple tool. However, in the mind of the elephant, the rope is unbreakable. The grown-up elephant has given up trying to break through the rope from the day one. You know the strength of an elephant? A full grown-up elephant has the full strength of 600 men. Still, they are being held with a very teeny thin rope. This is because from day one, their mind is being conditioned that they are much more stronger than the rope. The rope is strong than their strength, and they believe that the rope is stronger than their strength from the childhood till their adult. So they never try to break free from the rope. So friends, the message here is, if someone saying you are not up to that standard, you are not capable, then don't believe in him and try your fullest. You may fail the first time, but you must achieve success in your life if you try. Just try hard and harder. Thank you for patience hearing.